Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Today we're gonna do the final chapter of our North American Tune class setup of this uncut version suspensions. So today we're gonna do all the damper setup, and after that North American Tune class setup, it's finished. Alright, so let's start today's video. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so for the tune class setup, I mentioned in the beginning, we are not allowed to have the body dampers, so which means is we have to put the damper on the side. But this uncut version suspensions, we are not be able to put the FRP or carbon underneath and then to make a side dampers right over there, because we already have this kind of a setup. So if we add another place, that will gonna be too low, so we have to put on the top. But top, if we do that, it will block the battery, so every time when you take the battery you will have the hard time. So this is the way I do the setup for the dampers for the center. Okay, and for the rear, we're gonna using this package, the rear body damper, rear damper setup, and that package. But I would do a little bit different. I will modify a little bit. So this is the way I do the damper setup of this uncut version suspension. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so now I just put the body on, and so right now you can see the tune class setup is totally complete right now. And maybe people will ask me why I put the sponge brake at the behind, because actually that one I just want to make my body has more angles, so I think it looks looks like better than this. So that's why I put the sponge brake at the back. Once I tied it, then that will be make the body looks like this. So I think it looks like better like this way. Okay, so this is the North American Tune class setup. The full video art series are completed. Alright, so this is today's video, and please hit the like button for me. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.